So this is a different subscription box. So we will get to that after we do that. I did not realize that this was in here. Okay. Oh, it's broke. Okay, hold on. Get it out. Come on. Come to mama. Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you comment down below. Let me know how your day is going. Welcome back to our family. So you read from the title, we are going to be unboxing the Tribe Beauty Box. It comes in a bag now because when it was in a box, it was a little bit more heavier, so it costs more to ship. So she'd rather put it in a bag and have a few more products in here and get more products. So I don't mind that. I actually love that idea. This is a $34.99 bi-monthly subscription. I haven't got it for a while, but I did receive this today. I think it's been about 4 months. I do have a code, JUSTANN. You can save 10% off, so about $3.40, somewhere around there. And I really like this subscription. If you don't know, the owner name is Billy. This is a Black-owned subscription box company, so love that. I've been unboxing this now for a couple years from when she first started. I actually unboxed her very first box, so it's exciting to see how far she came. And I'm telling you, it has gotten so much better. All right, and this thing, as you guys can see, is packed. So I gotta like cut the whole bag. I mean, look at that. It is definitely packed. So let's see if there is a card. All right, I don't see a card, but I don't know what is in here. So I'm gonna open it up. Maybe the card's in here. It's just like holographic. It's really, really pretty. So let's see what's in here. It's like a mystery. Oh, okay. So she started her LASH subscription. So this is a different subscription box. So we will get to that after we do that. I did not realize that this was in here. Okay. So I don't have a card. So I'm just going to show you what is in here. So the first thing we got is 12 mini masks. This is from Masquerade right here. And so these masks here are like these little like food things that you would put different places. So you get 12 of them. So that's pretty cool. All right. I love getting skincare. I am not knocking that. Wait till I show you one of the items that's in here. You're gonna just like love it. All right, the next thing is from these Dr. Botanicals. This is the Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil. Now I have tried this before and I really do like it. I can definitely tell you that. I used the whole bottle. So it's not filled to the top, but I do like it. I like to put it like under my eyes. All right, so I'm definitely excited for that since I have tried it before and like it. All righty, now the rest of the stuff is makeup. Okay, so then we have this mascara XXL from Rodial. Now, I got in the glossy box, I got a sheet mask that was very expensive. So this has to be expensive as well. So this is the mascara right here. Let's see what the wand looks like. All right, so this is like a big fluffy wand. It's not my favorite because I have hooded and smaller eyes. Every time I use these type of wands, I get like mascara up on top, but then once it dries, it can come right off. So, but if it's good formula, hey, I'm not knocking it. But I'm curious to see how much this puppy is. So I'm about to look right online and see. Hold on. Okay, so this is saying that it is $29, so $30. I don't know, I'm cheap when it comes to mascara, but if it's good, I'm not gonna knock it. I'm glad to get it. That's why I love subscription boxes. All right, the next thing we got is from Pure. This is a chrome glaze, and what shade you be? In the shade Rebel. Yes, I used to think I was a rebel years ago. All right, now, ooh, that's pretty. I don't think I have anything from them because lately if I've been getting any lipsticks, I've been putting it in giveaways since I have so many. But, oh, look at the wand. But I've never tried this. Oh, this is like a lip gloss. Oh, that's pretty. You guys know that is right up my alley. Look at this. Swatches. I wiped here and I forgot to wipe there. All right, so that is really, really pretty. And this is what I've been waiting for. I seen this spoiler and I was so excited. Now, you can order this, but you have to be in pre-order. So I am so excited we got this in the subscription. This is the Lorac Pro, the chocolate palette. And oh my God. Oh, it's broke. Okay, hold on. Get it out. Come on. Come to mama. All right, so one of the shades here is broken. So I'm going to be very careful when I open this up. Oh, I'm going to, it's very easy to put back together. So that's what I'll do. You just take a little alcohol and press it back. So that's what it looks like. I don't want to press too much, like do too much, because it will definitely fall. But let's do some swatches. Oh my God, these are the two shimmer shades. And I don't know what you can see, but they are beautiful. Let me swatch that golden color again, the one that broke. Oh, that's pretty. That is really pretty. What I would do is mix them both together. Oh, that is just gorgeous. I love highlighter. All right, let me swatch some. Oh my God, these are gorgeous. All right, here are some shimmer shades. Of course, I picked all the light shades. Look at that one shimmer shade. These are very light. I don't know why I picked the light ones, but that's just what my hands went to. But let's do some mattes. That is what really counts. And they feel really, really buttery. So let's see. Ooh. And there are some swatches. So I probably have to build them up. This one is like a little patchy, but as long as they're buildable, I don't care. But this palette's really, really pretty. So as soon as this video is done, I'm going to press that one back together. So let's recap everything that we got in the Tribe Beauty Box. So we have this palette right here, which this is a new palette. So I'm really excited to get that in the subscription. We have a mascara. And we have this pure chrome glaze that will actually go with this palette. Like everything goes together. So that's what I like about Tribe. Then we have this oil, which love that. And then we have these 12 like little masks to put on your face. So let me know down below if you think that this is worth $34.99 every other month. Do you think? You know what? Let me look up and see how much that palette is. I'm very curious. And that will let me know whether or not this month was worth it. Okay, so they are on pre-order. They were regular $34.99. Right now it's on sale for $24.99. It looks like it's a UK brand. So I definitely think because of the price, you do get your value for that. Especially this is $30. Oh my God. So you get your value there, but let me know what you guys think. All right, so let's move on to the Lash subscription. Like I said, I didn't know I was going to get this, so I'm really, really excited. Let me look up and see how much this is because I wasn't even prepared. So I'll be right back again. Okay, so this is called the LASHSCOOP Lash subscription, and it's only $11.99 a month. Let me make sure it's a month. Yeah, it's a monthly box, $11.99, and shipping is free, and you get 5 pairs of lashes. That's not bad. So you just get a card, and let's see what the lashes look like. All right, so, ooh, okay. So the first one is called Fumi. These my daughter would wear. Then we have Talia. They're pretty too. Then we have Chia. And this is Tyra. And this is up my alley. This is Julie. I like Julie. so pretty. 5 lashes for $11.99 for 12 bucks. I mean, you can't beat that. That is really, really exciting. I've been saying to you guys for a while that I'm going to try some lashes. So the ones that are very dramatic, I'll definitely give to my daughter because she wears lashes almost every day. So she'll get use out of this. But the ones that I get more natural, I'm going to try. So maybe that's what I'll do. I'll do a video with me and my daughter and we'll put on lashes. Like I said, I wasn't prepared because I wasn't expecting to get this. But thank you so much, Billy, for sending this to me. And I'll definitely, me and my daughter will try these out and I will keep you guys updated how they are. So that's everything, guys. Please rate this video. So give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed these unboxings, if you like TribeBeautyBox. If you think, what do you think about getting lashes every month? Give me a thumbs down if you're not interested and you know, want to see. What the hell? Let me try that again. Give me a thumbs down if you don't want to see this on our channel anymore. You can care less, then let me know. That is the only way I'll be able to know whether or not to keep this on our channel and keep unboxing it. Make sure that you put that post notification bell on and make sure you double tap it to have it on all. That way you get notified for all of my future videos. I tend to try to put videos out almost every day. So if you're not getting any notification, then go to my channel and see if I upload it because I don't know, sometimes YouTube doesn't like to give out notifications. And if you enjoy unboxings and reviews, then please consider subscribing to our channel. I would love for you to join our family. And that's everything. I hope you guys stay healthy, stay blessed, and stay cool in this hot weather. All right, guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye.